Hi there. Ever wanted to get premium WordPress plugins and themes without paying a lot? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Themify Builder Pro plugin from PureGPL on your WordPress website. Go to PureGPL.com and search for Themify Builder. You'll see the product name, the newest version, and the date it was updated. This way, you always get the latest one. You have two choices. You can buy one product and get free updates for life, or you can become a member and get access to over 20,000 plus products, unlimited updates, and 30 downloads every day. Every product has a virus total scan report. This shows you it's 100% safe to download. Once you pick your product, go to the checkout page. Fill in your details and finish your purchase. After your purchase, just download the zip file. Now, go to your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Click on Plugins, then Add New. On the next screen, look for a button at the top that says Upload Plugin. Click it, and then select the zip file you downloaded from your computer and click Install Now. Once it's installed, you'll see an option to activate the item. Click that button and you're all set. It's just like installing any other plugin from the official WordPress directory. With PureGPL, you get the best prices, instant downloads, and safe, updated products. Try it now and make your WordPress website amazing.